Hello everybody! Welcome back to the #1 home improvement YouTube channel in the entire world. As you can see, I am still at the demolition. This room is right next to the garage. The garage is right on the other side of this wall. Right below me is the wood stove that feeds that chimney that I was talking about in the previous video. What I'm doing right now is taking apart the ceiling, taking apart everything I can because I have a 30-yard dumpster in the driveway that I eventually completely fill to the top. 2 layers of acoustic ceiling, that's what you see me pulling down right now, along with a layer of R11 insulation from who knows how long ago. I'm guessing it's from the 50s. You'll see why I say that later in the video. The giant wall that you see here, the glass wall, there's 3 sections of glass block. That's all got to come down in this video. All the windows got to come down. And behind you on this side, there's a whole nother wall of windows that's all got to come out. It's a pretty complex project. I eventually got each wall down to the headers and only leave a few members of framing in and have to build all new walls, all new windows. It's a crazy job, especially on the wall behind me. That lower bit, there's a garden underneath it, or in front of it. You don't want to miss what happens when we pull that section of wall out. It's pretty crazy. Each section of those 3 glass block walls comes out differently. The first one was tough. The second one, well, you'll see how that one goes in just a few minutes. So behind this wall here is that sub panel. And you can see the feed that comes from the main panel up there. We've got our water hose for the evaporative cooler. We've got some old framing that looks like it was for a different evaporative cooler. We got junction boxes everywhere up in there. What else? We do have ventilation. That'll help when we put our insulation back in. So the older concrete gets, the harder it gets, and that's some old concrete. I'm putting this easily in the 50s as far as age. So unfortunately, I think the method is the angle grinder with a masonry bit to get this started. There are a few cracks in here, but I don't know if that's a repair that's been gone over. I'm just gonna go outside, get the angle grinder, the masonry blade on there, cut one of these things out, and maybe I can start knocking them out. They're pretty darn strong. I will still have my face shield on and gloves just because I want to be able to continue to work, not end up in the hospital with lacerations. So I'm going around this one here. First pass was with the angle grinder, getting in as deep as I can. You can see that is wire mesh. Not sure if that's between every course, but it's in this course. And this concrete is so hard. So this one broke, and I don't think I'm getting out of this without breaking some glass. up, move to the next window. This wall here is super loose, so I might not have to smash it and break as much. Whole thing's moving. So we're just gonna go in the middle until we can pop some out.
Go, baby.
Come on. Woo! Woo! Not bad. One more to do. I'd like this one to go the same way that one did. Easy.